Have you been searching for the perfect SUV with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2018 Chevrolet Tahoe LT in Summit White. With HID headlamps, electronic stability control, 18-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, blind spot monitoring, tow package, heated and ventilated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 47,000 miles on the odometer, 8-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, split folding rear seats, rear DVD entertainment system, power sunroof, third row seating, power liftgate, 5.3-liter V8 engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D6356A.
A GM certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than any ordinary used vehicle. With our thorough inspection, GM warranty, free vehicle history report, and more. You can expect it all from a GM certified used vehicle. GM certified means no worries. Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.